One of the most scenic coasts of India, the Coromandel Coast, extends from Point Calimere in Tamil Nadu to the delta of the Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. Covering a stretch of almost 650 km and extending over an area of 22,800 square km, the Coromandel Coast is surf-ridden and often with choppy and strong waves, making launching and return of boats to the shore very difficult. The Coromandel Coast is home to a very large fleet of small-scale fishermen who have been harvesting the bounties of the ocean since time immemorial. These fishermen bring home some of the best fisheries of the Bay of Bengal and the adjoining Indian Ocean, that includes sardines, mackerels, pomfrets, seerfishes, prawns, tunas, and a whole range of other pelagic and demersal species. In the last 2 decades, and especially after the December 2004 Asian tsunami, the wooden catamaran and small fiber reinforced plastic boats of 26 to 28 feet have given way to bigger FRP boats. These boats now exceed 30 feet, carry twin outboard motors, and are also much wider to accommodate bigger gear and more fishermen. This change has allowed them to stay out at sea for a longer duration, sometimes 2 to 3 days. However, this increase in size and weight of the boat has made their launching and then bringing them back to the shore after the fishing trip very difficult and cumbersome for the fishermen. A minimum of 8 to 10 fishermen are required to bring the boat back to the shore. Tractors have now come to the rescue of the fishermen in some villages in Tamil Nadu. Fishermen no longer need to wait for fellow villagers to come and assist in the launch or retrieval of the boat. The tractor does the job quickly and efficiently. A launch or retrieval per boat costs rupees 150 or $2 and is a win-win situation for both the fishermen and the tractor owner.